Automatic lead distribution allows you to distribute records among accounts based on customizable rules and a schedule. Multiple reports are available to see how leads are being distributed between your users, how your users are interacting with leads they are assigned, and how long they are taking to act upon these leads. This allows you to easily track the flow of your leads. Note that the values in these reports show how many leads are assigned to each user, not how many of those leads are accepted. To access the automated lead distribution reports, you can open the Reports tab of your CRM and click Automated Lead Distribution Report. You can also view these reports in the Options tab while configuring automated lead distribution settings. From this page, simply click the link in the upper right corner of the screen. You can access the various automated lead distribution reports using the sub-tabs at the top of the page. By default, the first report that will display is a general summary of the lead distribution for your business. You can select a time period for the report to analyze using the Period drop-down menu at the top of the page. You can also filter the user list below by user or group. To refine the results by these filters, click the Search button to the right. Below, a list of users in your CRM will display, organized by user group. For each user, the user type will appear, followed by the total number of leads that have been assigned to the user during the selected time period. This number represents the number of distribution attempts that the system has processed. The average wait time for leads to be distributed will also be listed. Next, the average time between receiving a lead and touching it will display, along with the number of leads that the user has touched. In this case, users touch a lead when they take any action on it that results in a tracker event being logged in the client's record. At the bottom of the list, you can see total leads distributed to the listed users, as well as the average wait time, and touch count. These numbers are calculated based upon all users in the list above, so new values will tally if you use different filters. Below this list, a graph of the listed data will appear to help you compare values between selected users. The previously available summary report can still be accessed if need be. For this report, you will need to select users to be reported on using the checkboxes to the left. Then, click the Select and Continue button below. This report will then display the number of lead distribution attempts for each selected user for each date in the range set above. A graph is displayed below for user comparison, and you can hover over points in the graph for more information. The icon to the upper right of the graph can be used to change the display type. The List View report will display each of the leads that were automatically assigned during the date range selected using the drop-down menus at the top of the page. You can refine this list by user via the drop-down list, and you can find specific borrower entries using the Borrower Name search box. For each assigned lead, the user to which it was assigned will be listed along with the date it was distributed. Next, the distribution type for the assigned user will display. If you have not enabled Auto Accept for the user, Manual Accept will appear along with the time elapsed between the lead being assigned and the user accepting it. If the user has interacted with the assigned record, the First Touch Time will show how much time has elapsed between the record being assigned and the user creating a tracker event for it. If so, the type of action taken will also be listed, along with a summary of the tracker event types that have since been created for the record in your CRM. You can also click on the blue name of any lead on this list to open that borrower's record in your mortgages database. Thank you for watching this training video. To learn more about the BNTouch CRM, please check out our YouTube channel.